Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Codex agent with VS Code. So to integrate Codex agent with VS Code, go to extension and search for Codex. Select the first option, Codex OpenAI's coding agent. Click on install. Okay. So now Codex agent is integrated with VS Code. Ask Codex agent to deploy Nginx server on Kubernetes cluster. So let's create a folder by the name K8s Nginx. So open this folder, go to file and open this folder. Okay. This is the prompt. We are asking for Codex agent. Create Nginx web server on Kubernetes cluster using Helm chart and expose its cluster IP to node port. So it will take a couple of minutes to deploy the application on Kubernetes cluster. So you can see it has created a folder, Nginx web server, and all those templates files required for deployment. So it is asking for confirmation to deploy this application on Kubernetes cluster. So yes, so click on yes. Fetch node IPs, yes. So yes, click on yes. So the Nginx application is available at this node IP and node port. So we'll just check, copy it. You can just put in the terminal here. Copy this command. You can see. You can get this output. So this is how you can deploy Nginx server on Kubernetes cluster using Codex agent. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.